Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello and welcome to the session on multiple linear regression using Python. In this session, we would learn how to evaluate a linear regression model which we have already predicted. So I have a model which I have predicted and I did a prediction of my test variable using the model, and now I would like to apply different techniques to evaluate the model. As a first step, as it is a linear regression model, I would have predicted the values. So I would predict the test dataset and save the values of my prediction of the test dataset in YPRED. And I also have the actual values of the same dataset and I have the data in the Y-test. Now I do a plot and I plot the actual values of the dataset against the predicted values of the dataset. So I took a range of 1 to 165, as I know the number of records in my test dataset is 165, and I do a plot. I see that the overlap between the actual dataset and the predicted dataset is pretty good. It overlaps to quite an extent. I see a spike at one place where the blue line, which is the actual dataset, there is an increase, and the red line doesn't actually go high. Other than that, I see the overlap between the red and the blue is pretty good. So I can conclude this model is doing pretty decent based on the overlap between the actual and the predicted values. Let's go to the second step. In the second step, I try to plot the Y-test against the YPRED, whereas the YPRED is the predicted value and Y-test is the actual value. I take YPRED in the Y-axis, Y-test in the X-axis, and I see a nice linear regression. I can see a nice linear relationship between the YPRED and the Y-test. I see this, as the Y-test increases, the YPRED also keeps on increasing, and this forms a somewhat close to a linear trend. This is also a good sign for the model which I have predicted. Now let's look at the third parameter which we can test on. In this parameter, I subtract the Y-test from the YPRED. I do a Y-test minus YPRED. I keep it in the Y-axis and I keep the index on the X-axis. So I draw a plot between Y-test minus YPRED and the index, which is nothing but the C. I know there are 165 records, and I try to analyze the trend. If I look at the data here, I don't see any particular trend in this. I see a big spike at some times and I see a lower spike at some times, and most of them are close to zero. So this is again another indication that the model is doing good. Had this been a model which has failed to learn a particular pattern, then we could have seen a pattern in the error terms. Maybe it will be close to 0.2. Most of them would have a pattern in it. So it could have been something else, but as of now I do not see any pattern and most of them are close to zeros. So this gives me a good sign and I can conclude my model is doing good based on this. The last one which I would like to validate is the error terms. If you plot the error terms is nothing but Y-test minus YPRED, and I do a distribution plot of it, which is nothing but an advanced form of the plot which we did earlier, I see this is a nice normalized structure. This is called a normalized curve. In other terms, we call it as a Gaussian curve. So any curve which is normalized will be concentrating highly in the value of 0, and it would be slowly gradually decreasing as and when it goes beyond 0 in both the directions. So I see a normalized curve of the error terms, and I can conclude based on this that this model which I have developed is doing good and I can finalize on this model. Thank you.